Svalbard is an archipelago high in the Arctic Circle, roughly 78 degrees north and 20 degrees east. Svalbard means cold coast and was first mentioned in Icelandic texts in the 12th century. It's the island where polar bears outnumber people 3-2. With under 50 kilometres of road on Svalbard, the best way of exploring these islands is by sled. Huskies and their fur are perfectly designed to survive in temperatures as low as -40 degrees centigrade. But when pulling a sled on a balmy -10 degrees spring day, they need to thermoregulate themselves so their thick fur does not cause them to overheat. They do this by actively controlling the blood flow to their paws. When the dogs overheat, they open their paws' capillaries. This then allows the snow and the ice to cool the husky's blood flowing through these tiny blood vessels. And when this cooled blood returns to the dog's core via its veins, it cools the dog down. This adaptation means that a husky sled is still the best way of exploring these ice and snow-covered islands. Thanks so much for watching, subscribe for more films like this, and we'll see you soon on Earth Unplugged.